What's up, y'all? It's Jordan and
Eric
from North American Adventures. Today we are doing Tanque Verde Falls Loop. We passed the Upper Falls parking. Now we are at the Lower Falls. We're gonna get ready to get started here. As you can hear behind me, there's a lot of 4x4s, a lot of four-wheelers. So this should be pretty fun. There's gonna be some river crossings involved, some waterfall viewings. It's pretty hot out, probably like over 70 in the sun. Let's do it. We have quartz inlaid through a mixture of what I believe to be limestone, maybe some sandstone in here as well. Found some smaller pieces you guys can see in the light. It's also shot through with something metallic. I just can't put my finger on what this is exactly. It's the one that's glinting in the sun. Off to our right, we have the Tanque Verde wash. We're gonna be, I believe, crossing this later. Comes through here, this little valley area. It is quite hot out, so it will be nice to take a little dip today. If it's deep enough. Either way, we're gonna get the feet sweat. Interesting river crossing. our way up the Tanque Verde wash. waterfall is cascading every single time we increase a little bit in elevation, which is really nice. However, we don't really all have the right equipment to be making the next part of this climb. I'm the only one with boots, and it looks like it'll be a really nice beach day over at a lower spot we had passed previously. So we're gonna head back there and hang out. We're just enjoying the weather. It's pretty gorgeous. There's a nice wind coming through this valley, and we're surrounded by the saguaro cactus, or cacti, because there are so many. We just did another water crossing. A little bit precarious, but this beach is really nice and secluded. We saw it on our way up to the area where we turned around. Behind me, you can see where we came, and it's just glorious out here. So we're gonna hang out, catch a couple shots, dip our toes, dip our bodies, cool off, and hang out. Time for a very quick dip. Alright, we had a snack, we beach lounged. Now we're going to head back to the Honda. We have to cross the river, maybe once, twice, perhaps thrice more, and then ascend. The sun is setting here within the next hour and a half or so, so we should get some beautiful light on the way back to camp. Okay, just behind me is like the best view of this area, at least where we explored. So I'm gonna flip the camera around. Right now we're on our way up. Right here is the main waterfall. And just over that is where we swam. Okay, y'all, we just finished up Tanque Verde hike to the falls. We did not complete the entire hike, rather we had a little beach day after we cleared the first falls. The entire trail is 1.9 miles and it goes up just over 450 feet in elevation gain. Well, I believe most of that you do when you first drop down to the wash itself. We just got back to camp. Here's Eric. Honda's cooking. It's doing really well on these off-road trails. We're right up in the mountains right now, as you guys can see behind me. There's a little bit of snow right there. So we're just gonna do some dinner here. We had a great day, very relaxing. This is a beautiful spot. Let's go Arizona! Woo! You guys like the content? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. We will see y'all in the next one. Peace!